Hi everyone and welcome to the London session update with myself, Kathleen Brooks, on Tuesday the 4th of June. Likewise, US stock markets are expected to open higher. We also have much less top-tier economic data today compared to what we did yesterday, which really triggered that huge bout of volatility in the dollar. If you remember, the very weak US ISM report, manufacturing ISM report yesterday really triggered a sharp decline in dollar yen, which dipped below 99 at one point. So it's managed to climb back above there, but it hasn't quite held on to the 100 handle. Now let's take a look at this. This is dollar yen and the Nikkei. And as you can see, the two move very, very closely together. And because what dollar yen does. So what we've seen is the Nikkei had a bit last week or so. It stabilized a bit today on the back of some comments from the Japanese government that they would start diversifying into stocks for the government pension fund. But we also saw, and that has had a bit of a positive impact on dollar yen. However, we haven't really managed to hold on to that 100 handle with any sign of, or with any kind of convincing signs. Instead, we've actually, at the time of recording, we have just dipped below 100 again. But we're really still range bound. The fact that we held 98.80 is a good sign. Also, we do know that below 100, there's not too much liquidity down there. So it suggests that maybe the market isn't looking to push this hugely lower and is instead willing to buy on the dips and just prop it up for now. Obviously, though, we do think the market is really willing to, or leaving judgment to one side until we get that crucial May payrolls number later this week on Friday. So right now, if you're trading dollar yen, we're trading in a very tight range, 101 on the upside, with that 98.90 on the downside acting as very, very key, crucial support there. But do watch the Nikkei if you are trading. Now, dollar yen is obviously it's directing everything. We've seen the yen, as we showed you, has retraced some of its gains from yesterday. But overall, dollar yen is the main pair because you haven't got too much to drive the markets. It's been quite a quiet day on the economic front. But let's look at cable. Cable made a stab above the cloud yesterday. Very, very positive technical development for cable yesterday, but it didn't spend long above that 153.40 level and has since pulled back from there. Not even good PMI construction data could get us above there. And likewise, we think we're going to hover around this level, certainly until the Bank of England meeting on Thursday when they are expected to remain on hold. But overall as well, we think the market's going to be a little bit unwilling to push us above 153.40 and would look actually to start selling at around 153.30 all the way up to 70 if we do manage to get above there. Remember, that was the intraday high from yesterday. But downside does look fairly supported, 152 and then 151.50 for now. But right now, we're still range trading, just all about positioning as we lead up to much more top-tier economic data later this week. But good luck trading today, and please do join us later for more. Thank you.